Hey guys, it's Larry Goins. How are you doing? I am really excited about what I have to show you on a webinar coming up live this week. You have got to be on this webinar, okay? Because I'm going to release some brand new information, some things that we have been doing right here in our office to make a lot of money in real estate. You know, the market's changed, the game has changed, everybody's trying to get into wholesaling, everybody's trying to retail property, doing short sales, this, that. I got to show you something. In fact, the two biggest questions that I get asked all the time from investors are, number one, where to get the money. Where am I going to get the money, Larry? I can't qualify for a loan. I don't want to have to apply for a loan. I don't want anybody pulling my credit. The other thing is where to find buyers. Everybody wants to know where to find buyers. How do I build my buyers list? How am I going to do that? Well, listen, the problem with traditional investing is, number one, the money, okay? Number two, the risk. Everybody's scared to make offers on properties because their biggest fear is, what if they take it? Number three, the fear, as I just mentioned. The buyers. Where am I going to find the buyers? The competition. Everybody's trying to wholesale right now. Next, delays in closing. Guys, if you've ever done a real estate deal, you know about delays in closing. We are at the lender's mercy, whether it's your lender or your buyer's lender. But I got a solution for that. Also, deals falling apart. They fall apart all the time. I know, okay? And also the financing for your buyers. Why this is so easy, anybody can do it. I'm going to share with you on this webinar exactly what we do and how we do it. Look, there's no loan required for you. There's no loan required for your buyer. There's no cash needed from you. Zero cash needed from you. No problem with finding properties. I'm going to show you a niche market of properties that nobody else is looking at, and you can get in there and you can make $10, $15, $20, up to $43,000 on a little cheap $5,000 house that nobody else wants. The problem with finding buyers. No wondering how to get started. You don't have to wonder how to get started in real estate anymore. There's no fear factor and there's zero learning curve. Also, there's no credit application, no credit check, no appraisal required. Check that out. There's no financing delays, no limit on where you can buy. You can do this anywhere. There's no competition. Nobody else is doing what I'm sharing with you on this webinar. There's no worries, and you can literally close your first deal in 30 days or less. Check this out. You control the property. You control the buyer. You control the financing, and you control the closing. In fact, I am so excited. Let me just show you the HUD-1 closing statement from the last 3 deals that I did. Here's one right here that we did. Look at this. I paid $6,000 for this property. Look how much the bank netted. The bank netted $851.94. This is from a bank. They netted $851.94. Look at this next one here. Let me show you the next one. This is one right here. Look, I just closed this one last week. And I paid $6,500 for this property. And look at this. The bank netted $697.07, but that's not the best one. Look at this. Here's one I closed on the 30th of October. Look at this. I paid $5,900 for this property, and the bank netted a whopping $12.10. Don't tell me that you can't buy a property at 10, 15, 20, 30% of what the list price is. All these properties here were listed between $15,000 and $25,000, and I ended up paying $5,900, $6,000, and $65,000 for these 3 deals right here. You have got to be on this webinar so I can show you exactly how to do this. So go to filthyriches.com/webinar, or if you're already on that page, just sign up below and I'll see you on the webinar where I'm going to show you more examples, which, by the way, every one of these properties I sold for $30,000. I paid $5,900, $6,000, and $6,500. I sold each one of them for $30,000 each, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'll see you on the webinar. Thanks a lot.